The emphasis then today is on some fun and not dogs. My trusty multiplex Fun Cub, joined again by the Mini Fun Cub. We'll see how we get on with that. The famous UMX Ultrix, always a bundle of fun in any weather or wind conditions. This thing has no fear of wind or gravity. And possibly last but certainly not least, my Eagle model now has a secret onboard weapon. We'll see how that works out. Let's go fly. Perfect. Is my new function going to work or not? Well, it's probably not as loud as I would have liked. Well, maybe if the screaming wasn't loud enough, perhaps my next effect will be better off. Well, I'm enjoying it, even if everybody else is ignoring me. Well, I do have one more. Let's see what you think of this. Well, a little bit more fun for my fun day.
Is the machine gun effect on that, or is that the workers behind it?
It's me. Well, it's enough of that nonsense, I think. Just in case you were unsure if I was certifiable or not.
I love the sound effect.
Oh dear, oh dear.
That's brilliant, I like that.
Shame it's not a bit louder, but that's as loud as I can get it.
Yeah. Hey, you heard this? That's the Stuka bit, is it?
I'll tell you what, you wouldn't fly that in Cornwall, man, would you?
You need a cat one to fly over these dogs.
Oh, yes, that's an idea.
That's brilliant, Harry. Yes, that's very nice.
The cat call.